Kevin the Eco-Man here. Ever crush an ant and notice a rotten smell? If you have, chances are you're dealing with odorous house ants, one of the toughest ant problems in American homes. Today, I'll show you how to identify them, why they keep coming back, and the right way to get rid of them for good. How to identify if you have odorous house ants. There are many different types of ants, but to know if you have odorous house ants, you'll see long trails of tiny brown ants, usually on kitchen counters, near sinks, or outside along the foundation. The big clue, when you crush one, it gives off that strong rotten coconut smell. Why you have odorous house ants. These ants are looking for moisture and sweets. Leaky pipes, spilled soda, or crumbs on your counter all make your home super attractive to them. How ants sense food in your house. It's not their eyes, it's their antennae. Ants use them like super sensitive noses, picking up the faintest scent of sugar, grease, or protein. When a scout ant finds food, it lays down a pheromone trail, basically a chemical breadcrumb path. Other ants follow that trail, reinforce it, and pretty soon you've got a marching band parading across your counter. That's why one tiny crumb can lead to a full-scale invasion. Keep food sealed and wipe up spills quick. Cut off the trail and you cut off the ants. How to get rid of odorous house ants. Some people think if you just spray the trail, you'll wipe out the colony. That's a myth. All you do is kill the workers you see. The colony has thousands more ready to replace them. The real way to get rid of odorous house ants is baiting. I recommend you use gel baits that the workers carry back to the nest. That way, you're not just killing the ants you see, you're wiping out the entire colony at its source. It's also important to find out where ants are entering your home and seal off those entry points. Most of my customers think they could just crush all the ants. What they don't realize is squished ants actually put out pheromones that summon even more ants. Make sure you put all of the dead ants in the trash outside your home. Otherwise, your garbage can is one giant invisible beacon, calling the rest of the colony to come and investigate. Now, here's how you do the most effective treatment. Place bait along their trails. Be patient. It could take a few days, but you'll notice activity drop as the colony collapses. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe.